Hello guys, we are at Sri Lanka's hill country and the captivating city of Kandy. Welcome back to our channel, we and our twins. In this vlog, you will get to know the best places to visit when you are in Kandy. It is a pleasant morning with a view of mountains. We are staying at Earl's Regency Resort, which is very close to the Kandy city center. The first place we visited is Temple of Tooth Relic, which was very closer to our resort. So this is very famous Buddhist temple that holds the most of the important relic in Sri Lanka, a tooth of Buddha himself. So the first thing is to find a good guide if you're really interested in the history of this place. On the way, we found the Sri Lanka's national flower. It is blue star water lily. It's very vibrant in color, and we thought of offering the same for Lord Buddha inside the temple.
This temple was built by King Vimala Dharma Surya. This was
Okay.
1592.
Okay.
16th century. Now 431 years old.
Okay.
After bomb blast again rebuilt.
Okay.
1592 until 431 years left behind tooth of Buddha in this temple.
Okay.
After the new sign room, I will see that pictures
Okay. Sure.
about life of Buddha's historical pain.
So the ticket cost for foreign adult is 2000 LKR, and for the SAARC nations, it is 1500 LKR.
These are provincial flags. During the Kandy festival in August, these flags are carried by temple workers.
Carried to a temple.
The picture in the right was destroyed during the bomb blast, and you can see a copy has been made in the left. So he did explain it very well one by one. He took a lot of time to explain also, which we felt very good. And also you can see the statues of Lord Buddha. This also has been imported from different countries and or even contributed by different countries to this temple here.
Buddhist temple was built by King Kisirimewan, Anuradhapura and Sansiri. It kept to Sri Lanka. And Buddhism philosophy was brought up in India to Sri Lanka.
After visiting Temple of Tooth, you can visit the Kandy viewpoint. From here, you can see the Temple of Tooth Lake and almost a 180-degree view of Kandy city.
See the truth of temple we saw there. It's right there, and you can see the Kandy View. Kandy Lake also there.
Welcome to our factory. First of all, I will tell you about the tea history. Come inside. Come inside. About the tea history.
Okay.
In 1867, Sir James Taylor introduced tea to Sri Lanka. He was a Scottish man.
Okay.
Since English era, Sri Lanka tea is famous as the Ceylon tea around the world. We are the second biggest tea producer in the world. First one India, third one Kenya. First we are the best tea exporter in the world.
This was one of our first experience visiting a tea factory, and they were explaining it really well with the complete process of tea manufacturing.
Withering means reducing moisture of tea leaves,
Okay.
reducing water of tea leaves. After plucking them, we spread here, bring it spread here. There is a fan, this fan blowing air underneath through this net.
Okay.
We are drying once a time 250 kilos of tea leaves. Here we are rolling 20 minutes without any pressure. Smooth. These are the brown color, these are the black color.
Okay.
The brown color stem, black color.
We're at the end of the tea factory visit, and they did a fantastic explanation on the tea manufacturing process, the entire process. So here we will get varieties of teas to taste. So you can see there are a lot of tea samples here. You can taste it and you can choose to buy. Although it is not mandatory, if you don't like, you can walk out also. So we chose 8 flavors of tea. First row can be consumed without milk, and the second row is consumed with milk. So we really liked the mild taste of the golden roll tea. So we chose the golden roll tea over the white tea. This is also very rare, and we also bought some 3 boxes. This tea can be consumed twice or thrice a day. At the end of the day, you can dry it and consume with honey. Our next preference was to visit a gem museum, which is very famous in Kandy. We came to Panama Jewelers, so we will go through their museum, and they will explain about their mines. So let's see, guys.
Madam, I want to say, we have a small a documentary film,
Okay.
how we mine gems from our own mine.
Oh, okay.
Then I'll explain about the gems and the museum we have and the
Okay.
showroom. Please.
There was a small TV and setup. They also asked whether we want to see the documentary in Hindi. So they were explaining about their mine and the history of the gems. He did explain about the mines Panama Jewelers is having in Sri Lanka, and they were explaining the whole process of mining. So he was explaining about the mining process, which we also saw in the TV or in the documentary. So they were showing the real bamboo weaved baskets and how they collect the gravels, and from the gravels they have to filter the stones out, and there is no guarantee they get those rare stones like sapphire or ruby or whatever type of gems they want. He did explain about the sapphire stones, which starts from purple, pink, yellow, white, orange, and the most precious one is blue sapphire out of sapphires. You can also purchase a sapphire from Sri Lanka because they do export a good color and grade of sapphires to the other countries. So when you are in Kandy, that is the good option. If you are really a gem lover, you can buy this. So we also suggest to Panama Jewelers. We did a little research and we found that the color and the grade they offer with certificate is really valid. So if the prices of gold or white gold is higher than your country, then better you buy the gems, and you can get the jewelers done in your country too. For the demo purpose, they also shown us how a mine looks. You can see the side walls with mesh and other purpose. So this is how really a mine looks in the mine field.
And then it will cut like this.
So we did buy a blue sapphire ring and a set of earrings. We couldn't shoot that due to restrictions in the jewelry.
My name is Saman. This I am about explanation everything. What are the feet, everything I am explaining there. Please follow me as well.
Sure.
So next we chose a spice garden visit over a chocolate factory. That is also with a few reviews we felt like visiting a spice garden will be much helpful for us.
For L5, lower the back pain. Some people do this with neck pain and nervous system. Then 5 drop oil and pinch of balm mixed together. Knee pain apply.
So they offered us a glass of spice tea, which was strong in the flavor, and those who are having or suffering from throat pain, cold, etc., will get instant relief. And he also explained how to make that tea.
And number one is
So
good
they
for
will explain
citronella oil,
here
mosquito
about
repellent.
their
Yeah, yeah, this one,
manufactured
this one. Yeah,
medicines,
let us apply. Yeah.
oils,
You just
spices,
number one.
and other products. So if you really like to
Test.
buy, you can visit their
You won't
pharmacy
tell
and
me, I will mark.
choose to
Otherwise,
buy
no
those.
problem.
Okay, for now, park.
So if the medicines are over,
I
how
give
you?
you my WhatsApp number. Any
Okay.
doubt, any call me. I will send to DHL. Yeah. This is
Okay.
not really medicine there.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Before leaving Kandy, you should also visit the Kandyan Cultural Show. The show typically features a variety of dances, and each of it owns a unique costume, music, and story. We highly recommend checking out for this show when you are in Kandy. This show happens every day by 5 p.m. at the Kandy Lake Club. Mostly the show run out of tickets, so it is better to pre-book this. Here comes the end of Sri Lankan series, and the next day we started to airport and back to Bangalore. Many ask us how we travel with two kids, how you guys manage. Is it really required, worth taking such risk? The answer is we travel not to escape life, but for life not to escape us. Live life with no excuses, travel with no regrets. There is a sunrise and sunset every single day, and they are absolutely free. Don't miss so many of them. Enjoy each and every moment in your life. Thanks a lot for watching us. If you really like our videos, please do like and subscribe to our channel. That is the motivation what you can give us back. We are coming up with our next vlogs from Malaysia. Stay tuned, guys. We are also coming with the ideal budget and the Sri Lankan guide or itinerary to travel across Sri Lanka. Stay tuned, guys. See you all soon. Bye bye.